Now go. A box?
Oh, Scarlett, she's beautiful.
Oh, that's so cool.
She's beautiful.
Owen, you already love it?
What's in here?
Well, open it up and see.
You just got a box. That's all you got, Owen.
It's pretty light, isn't
Scarlett,
it?
look at that. She is so
Let me see it.
pretty.
It's not just a box.
Yeah.
There's something.
Cute.
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yes.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Well, okay, you're going to have to call Bailey and thank her.
Say thanks, Bailey.
Thanks, Bailey.
You need help?
Yeah, I need help.
Oh, here.
Here, Mima's gonna help you.
It's not taken down that much.
Good view, Mima.
Well,
This is a box? It's not just a box.
no, it's
What's
not in
inside
this box.
that? Yeah. What is it?
Well, let's find out, okay? Oh, look at there.
A trash bag.
Trash bag.
Here.
Okay.
Let's see what's in it.
Can you pull it out? It's real dusty. Don't get it on you.
Let's see what's in it.
Well, okay, let's see what's in it.
I think it's a Santa bag.
No.
It came home in the pickup, and it was so dusty.
Oh, y'all came in the pickup?
Yeah, there's going to have to buy quite a bit of fencing.
Oh.
This is my
Oh,
favorite
that's all we
pie.
pick up anyway.
Play.
Scarlett, I'm going to see your baby.
Oh.
What do you think it is, Owen?
I'm trying to get it out.
What do you think it could be?
Feel it and see.
It's pretty soft. It's quite
Oh, Owen.
What happened?
That hurt, didn't it? That was a hard hit.
What happened?
Owen.
I was bent down like that. He was
on my head.
Okay, Owen, stop bouncing. You have ants in your pants?
He's excited.
Owen, do you have ants in your pants?
No.
Okay, you can open it now. Pull it open.
Oh my goodness.
Why
What
is
is
it just?
that? Oh, look at that. What on earth? What on
Another
earth is that? Oh, wow.
Another pilpit.
That is a gigantic, what is that, a cat?
No, it's not.
Oh,
Owen, who does it look like?
it kind of looks like salmon or...
Rex.
What do you say?
Thank
Tell-
you, me, Mom.
No,
Peacock.
it's from Bailey and Uncle James and Ashley and Aunt Val. Say that
Oh,
to the camera. Say thank you.
thank you, Billy.
Billy.
And who else?
He got a blankie. Or are these clothes?